Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to send a gift in a gift exchange on Elfster. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using Elfster for a gift exchange. How do you actually go ahead and send that gift? Now, it might sound obvious, but there's actually two different scenarios that I've dealt with when it comes to using. So the first scenario is that if your exchange is happening in person, you simply could just bring your gift with you to wherever the exchange is happening, right? So simple, straightforward. But what do you actually need to do in Elfster to confirm that you have your gift or that your gift is sent? Now, in order to do this, let's first click on View All Exchanges, and I'm going to show you a past exchange that we've done before. So on this page here, this is an old exchange group, but if you scroll down, you're going to see your draw right over here. And with it, there's going to be a button that says Mark a Gift as Sent. So once you click on this button here, you can click on Mark as Sent, and it's going to be marked as sent on Elfster. Now, whether you actually mail that gift to your draw or whether you bring that gift in person to the exchange location, that's more so up to how your group is organized. But either way, there is a button here that says Mark as Sent, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and send a gift in a gift exchange on Elfster. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.